Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to download or export Skype content. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to export Skype all contact. Now you see Microsoft sign in to continue to Skype. So we are going to log in. So you can add Skype name and password and then click on next. So we are in my account and then you see multiple option. Now you see setting and preference and then you see export contact .csv file format. So click on it and then you see contacts.csv file. So you can download. So click on save. Now file save done. So we export all contact in Skype. So we open .csv file. Now you see type, ID, display name, blog, favorite. You see all IDs we have. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.